Hey guys, welcome back to Liz Does Travel. I wanted to share a trip I took to Mexico for work. We landed in Mexico City and rented a car, drove 3 hours to the city of Puebla, which was our final destination. When we got there, we stayed at the Intercontinental Hotel, which was stunning. It's an outdoor hotel, open air, so all the hallways were open. In the mornings, you can hear all the birds chirping. So we have arrived here in Puebla, Mexico. What's up? Normal bathroom, got the shower sitch, and they have an outlet by a mirror with decent lighting, which I feel like never happens. The bed, nice little seating area, desk. Let's see if I have a view. Aww, I don't think it opens up anymore. The birds out here are ridiculous. You can hear them like crazy. Of course, you know me, I had to fully move in because I hate living out of a suitcase. That night, we drove to the Rosewood Hotel, which was just a few minutes away from us, and we had dinner there. The hotel was stunning. I just didn't want to be crazy filming since I was on a work trip. I had to keep it down on the low. After dinner, I had a little spa session in my room. The next day, we did a little sightseeing around town. Puebla is beautiful. The architecture, it's very old world, nothing like here in the States. We went to a little street market. They had a bunch of knickknacks, street foods. Puebla is known for their ceramics, so there's a bunch of beautiful pottery. Of course, I had to buy some and take some home. They also have jumping beans. The city of Puebla is so unique. It's so colorful. There's live music everywhere you turn. Just a ton of local art that's one of a kind and unique that you can only find here in Puebla. Of course, we had to find a puppy. We saw one of the oldest churches in Puebla. Went to the city center square and saw more unique knickknacks that you only find here. We worked up quite an appetite and found a cute little spot to rest. A ton of shopping was done. And I had to get some hot chocolate. You guys, the hot chocolate in Mexico is unreal. I can't even begin to explain how good it is. After all that shopping, I had a little spa session at our hotel. The spa here is smaller. They only have like 1 or 2 massage rooms, but it's still very beautiful, very zen. On our way back home at the airport, I had to make one last stop for hot chocolate. I can't tell you guys how good it was. It was a very short work trip. I was only here for a few days, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.